So hello everyone. Today we have a job update from Capgemini and it is a Capgemini XLR hiring role. Now if you see we have posted a job update on Wipro Elite and the job deadline was different, and after a few days or few hours they changed the job deadline again to the date which people were not able to apply. And here you can see the job deadline is 10th of January 2025, and we don't know when this job deadline can be changed. If you are seeing this video and the job update is still open, please apply as soon as possible. And if you are seeing before 10th of January and the job update is closed, please note that Superset would have changed the deadline or the company HR would have changed. Now let's proceed into the job update where we will see the detailed description of this role, where if you can see here the CTC of this role is 3 lakh per annum. And then if you see the salary breakup and additional information, for associate role you will get 3.25 LPA, where 3 LPA will be your CTC and plus 25 will be one time incentive for this role. And in this job description you can see they have mentioned candidate must have a active DigiLocker account and a active mobile number that is linked with their Aadhaar card while applying for this role. And this position is only open for the Mumbai location. So if you are actually in other locations and applying for this role, you will have to relocate to Mumbai for this role. And also if you see the educational qualification here, you should be from the BCom and BAF passed out and the batch should be 2024. This role name is DCoE Processor and the full form of this role is Deal Center of Excellence. And you can see the roles and responsibilities here. Please take a look at it. And let's proceed into the things that they are actually preferring from you. And you should have a good communication in English, and you should have a good interpersonal skill and ability to perform under pressure. You should have intermediate Excel knowledge in VLOOKUP, formatting, data sort, and etc. And you should also be willing to work in 24/7 environment, and you should be open to work in a night shift. You should have to meet the KPIs, and you should have and you should be good with the logical reasoning and numbers. We will provide the link in the description, and if you have any other doubts, please let us know in the comment section. We hope this video is very useful for you. Please try to apply as soon as possible. Please share to your friends who is looking for jobs. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends.